Hi, this is Eric from High Country Hydro Wash out of North Carolina. My wife Ginger and I recently started this business after months and months of research. We checked on chems, mixtures, equipment, so on and so forth. And there's a lot out there on the internet, but we still had lots of questions. So we decided to purchase the How to Wash course from the Inner Circle guys. From the chemicals to the equipment to the procedures, especially tips we gained, uh, they're well worth the purchase amount. We're excited and confident now to really start and push the business forward, especially with the strategies and stuff we've learned. Um, Cody, Justin, Mike, Aaron, they give you such great information. It's a no brainer, to be honest with you. Add to the mix Tyler's Woodmaster course, and that alone, that niche alone, sorry, can give you tons and tons of resources and answers. It's not just simply going out there spraying, you know, chlorine on a fence. It doesn't work like that. They teach you the ins and outs of what to do, how to do, why to do. Um, and they tell you about all the variations there may be that they can think of. You know, the weather, the humidity. You know, this, that, the other. I mean, it's a real good course. Um, they broke it down into easy to understand language and went over things several times. It's just a good thing to do. And because of this, my wife and I are actually looking at doing the lifetime membership to get not only the current courses, but any future courses that they may offer. We think it's going to be a good investment for our company. And I hope you do too. Have a good one.